The origin of Fusion IO, right, really came about because of some factors that converged at the same time. One was the density of NAND flash. Second was a problem of server utilization in large data centers, right? Underutilization. Third would be this gap of performance that exists between the speed of CPUs and the speed of storage, which manifests itself as a deficiency in server utilization. And so by bringing to bear a new storage tier, if you will, I/O memory, we're able to alleviate that problem of server utilization, make applications go faster, or also in the same vein be able to do the same workload with many fewer servers, because each of those servers can be used more efficiently. One of the most exciting things about Fusion IO is the size of the potential market that we are playing into. We started out thinking, well, PCIe cards and servers, right? How big can that be? Well, when you look at how we affect the economics of deploying computing resources, what we enable, boy, it makes a very exciting case to be made for Fusion IO becoming a major technology platform provider, a company like NetApp, like EMC, like Cisco. As we take this technology and deploy it, the potential for its use is pretty much everywhere the server market is today. So what that means for us as a business is that there is more than ample room for us to become a major independent company driving billions of dollars worth of revenue potentially. And it's not a difficult thing to imagine if you look at how many servers are being sold today, what the utilization rates of those servers are. Look at how much DRAM is being sold today. And if you do an extrapolation, you can see a case for, not a difficult case for Fusion IO playing in what could be a $20 billion totally available market to us. One of the interesting and exciting things about this technology is that as it exists today, as a standalone PCIe card that goes within a server, there's a very large and immediately available to us market that we can go address to primarily accelerate database, to primarily accelerate virtualization environments, and to affect the efficiencies that exist, or the inefficiencies that exist in data centers and server underutilization, right? So there's a very immediate and interesting market for us today without any modifications or changes. What we see going forward is the expansion of this immediate market we call I/O memory to expand into greater and greater spheres. Not only will it find its way into the appliances that are being manufactured in the future, right? Whether that be people that are building, database-specific applications, application-specific, vertical-specific applications, but the deployment of the technology itself can expand as it becomes more shareable, as it is deployed as a caching tier. There are a number of very interesting and very appropriate and applicable ways that this can be brought to bear to affect major change and continue to extract great efficiencies from the data center in the future.